Andre here at PFM-4C. We're just running our fill volume test on our brand new redesigned 4-head filling machine. So this comes with standard 2-litre cylinders, which gives you the capacity to fill anywhere from 200 ml to 2 litres in a single stroke per cylinder. So this machine is actually destined for Queensland. So what I'm going to do right now is run 10 shots on each nozzle, 100 shots in total. What I'm looking for is a plus or minus 1% across the entirety of those 100 shots, just to make sure that we're going to get accuracy and consistency for our customer on site. Once we've done the test, we'll rip the machine apart, clean it up, put it back together, and then we're going to crate it up and freight it up to another, hopefully be another satisfied customer. So let's just run this through one of the cycles and see how we go. So 2086. $2089. $2083. And 2085. So I'll take this data, I'll enter it in over on our spreadsheet here. I've actually already completed the test. You'll see here we run through, you can see I've got a range across each of the cylinders. So 5, 3, 4, 3 milliliters across 10 shots in each individual cylinder. Then you can see that gives me a plus or minus percentage of 0.12%, 0.07, 0.1%, 0.07. And now I'll take the average of all of those and then run it again, and I've got a plus or minus percentage of 0.19% across 10 shots on all the cylinders, which is well within our range, and we'll be pretty comfortable with that. So now we'll strip the machine down, clean everything up, put it back together, and then we'll crate and freight this machine, and then we'll have another satisfied customer. On the base here, we used to have our bottom-up fill speed controls, our gate ports, and our sensors and no roll, no fill ports. We've moved that because, again, we want to keep everything off the ground just to make it a little more accessible for the operator, as well as add a layer of protection. Just over here now, we've got our sensors and gating ports. And then on the right-hand side of the machine, next to our fill and recharge speed ports, we've actually introduced the up and down speeds for the bottom-up fill. This means your operator can be with the conveyor coming across the machine, have absolute access to everything, all controls, all functions, filter regulator, everything on the machine they'd ever need to, without having to cross the entire production line or crawl under the line, as some people I'm sure do, to gain access to the rear of the machine. Just here you can see this is where the pneumatics are now located underneath the machine. And yeah, so as always, we're here just trying to make things a little bit better, a little bit more of a buy it for life philosophy, something that will last your company a long, long time. And you know, after 10, 15, 20 years, you can always bring it back to us and we can do a complete refurbishment on the machine and bring it back to scratch, and you can get another life out of it. Thanks for listening, guys. Have a good one.